Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Good. So students, today our topic is simple past tense. It is the topic taken from your English grammar book, chapter number 16, simple past tense. Now what is simple past tense? Simple past tense is used to speak about the actions that started and finished at a specific time in the past. For example, I decorated my room on my birthday. He sat at home and watched TV. Now comes your how we use simple past tense, usage of simple past tense. Actions in the past taking place once, never, or several times. Then we can use simple past tense. For example, he visited his parents last weekend. Okay. Next usage is actions in the past taking place one after the other. For example, he came in, took off his coat, and sat down. Means number of actions are taking place one after another. Number third is action in the past taking place in the middle of another action. For example, when I was having breakfast, the phone suddenly rang. It means one action was going on and in the past and the other action happened in the middle of that action. So now there are some clues, few examples of clues to find out, to identify the simple past tense. For example, yesterday, the other day, last Friday, 2 minutes ago, in 2000. So these are the clues to find out simple past tense. Now next is your simple past tense can be used in assertive, negative, and interrogative sentences. And now, how to use these? Number one is your positive. Positive means assertive sentences. For positive and assertive sentences, we use subject plus second form of the verb. Okay. For example, Ria baked a cake. So this is a assertive sentence. Okay, simple sentence, positive sentence. Number next is negative sentence. For negative sentences, we use subject plus did not plus first form of the verb. We use did not and first form of the verb. Okay. For example, Ria did not bake a cake. Now, did not, we are using did not plus first form of the verb. We are not using second form of the verb. We are using first form of the verb for negative sentences and we are using did not. Now, last is your interrogative or question sentences. Now, in these sentences, we use did. Again, we use did plus subject plus first form of the verb. Again, we use first form of the verb plus did. For example, did Ria bake a cake? So, I hope it is clear. Positive sentences means assertive sentences. We use subject plus second form of the verb. For negative sentences, we use subject plus did not plus first form of the verb. And for question or interrogative sentences, we use did plus subject plus first form of the verb. Now comes your few examples of simple past tense. So here are few examples of positive or assertive sentences, negative sentences, and question or interrogative sentences. For positive sentences, for example, you went to the bed early, she studied in the library. See, these are simple, positive, assertive sentences. For negative sentences, I did not graduate, she did not study in the library, they did not have dinner, he did not feel sad yesterday. And for interrogative, did he feel sad yesterday? Did they watch a movie? Did he met her? Did I become a teacher? So these are the examples of simple past tense. I hope now it is clear what is simple past tense, how to use simple past tense, when simple past tense is used, its usage is clear, its meaning is clear. I hope everything is clear now. Thank you so much. God bless you all.